Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer marketing tasks from Marketo to Asana. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Marketo account. Navigate to the marketing task section. Identify the specific tasks you want to transfer to Asana. Create a new project in Asana that corresponds to your marketing tasks. In Marketo, select the first task you wish to transfer. Copy the details of this task, including the title, description, and any deadlines. Switch to your Asana project. Paste the copied details into a new task in Asana. Repeat this process for each task in Marketo. For tasks with specific deadlines, make sure to set due dates in Asana. If any tasks have multiple assignees, consider dividing them appropriately in Asana. Add any relevant tags or custom fields in Asana to maintain organization. Once all tasks are transferred, review them for clarity and completeness. Consider adding subtasks in Asana for any larger tasks that require additional steps. Utilize Asana's features to assign tasks to team members, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities. Communicate the transfer of tasks to your team to ensure alignment. Monitor the status of tasks in Asana regularly for updates and progress. If needed, adjust deadlines or task assignments based on team feedback. Utilize Asana's reporting features to track the progress of marketing tasks over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.